Hello everyone, welcome to the Solotica Ice Color Contact Review. Here are my natural brown eyes. They are a medium brown with a little bit of green in them. Here's how the contact looks. It is very white and solid pattern, no changes in opacity, and it's thicker because it's the yearly contact. Here's how it looks in the one eye. So as you can see, it really brightens your eye and makes you look completely different. I think the pattern is really well done on these contacts. They look really realistic, even without the limbal ring. The pupil hole is really well done. It's blended really well, kind of like a starburst type of pattern. There are little lines to resemble a real iris. And it's just all blended really well, and it is a little bit multicolored. If you look, there's different shades of bright blue in there, so I think they did a really great job with the pattern for this contact. Here's how they look in both eyes. Personally, I'm not a fan of this color. I just don't think it goes very well with my features, but it could work for other features. Here's how they look from a distance. So like I said, it drastically changes your face just because they're so bright and intense. And if that's the look that you want to go for, then this is a great color for you. It will completely change your appearance. Personally, I like the more natural contacts. And in life, these just do not look natural. I think they'd be really great for like a club setting or some other place where there's dim lighting. This contact is great for coverage and for completely changing how you look, but if you're looking for something more natural, you probably won't like this color. But if you really want that piercing blue-eyed look, then you'll have no problem with this color. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you like color contact reviews, please subscribe.